Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at XAUUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So back again, first video in a few weeks. I've had some connection problems while I was traveling around Phuket. I'm back up in my apartment, and I'm able to start making videos again. So before we get started, if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now to stay up to date with all my latest videos, and of course your free weekly trade alerts. So this is this week's video, this week's free trade, and we're going to get into it now. Okay, so we've been on a bit of a roll lately with our service. I think it's five or six weeks on the trot now. I've been very profitable. Had a great week last week. All our FX trades were nicely in profit. We did have a stop out in gold, but the other trades made a nice profit last week, so that was good. This week's trade setup, we're going to look at the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, it is a nice trade. You can see we're at this weekly area here. It's up at last year's high. Okay, and I'm expecting it to start moving down from here. We do have another weekly area up here. Okay, like I said, we look for weekly zones. So I'm going to zoom in here, and as you can see, we do have this daily area here inside the weekly. Okay, and what I'm actually looking for now is some divergence signals. Okay, we've identified a higher time frame weekly possible selling area, and we zoom into the daily and look for a daily zone inside that, which we've identified here. Okay, this was the start of this leg down here, and we're going to look for evidence that the market is slowing down on approach or inside this area. And you can see quite clearly we're starting to get many divergence signals. Okay, so that's kind of telling me momentum is slowing down inside this area, so it's lining up for a possible selling opportunity. Also on the hourly chart, you can see the market has been rallying into it and has started to move sideways here. Okay, you can also see as the market's moving down and the sideway movement is creating a new low each time. Okay, here, here, and here. So likely one last pop up and then a move down. That's what I'm looking for this week. So this week's trade is going to be okay. Just get the okay. So for some reason this is not doing okay. So just have to use the text on MT4. So it's going to be okay. We're going to sell. Okay, I'm basically selling this on the open. So sell AUDNZD at 1084. Okay, make that big. More text. Stop loss. We're going to say the stop loss is stop at 1095. Okay, that just gives it above these highs here, above the weekly area that we looked at. And take profit. Okay, take profit. Okay, we go back at the daily. Okay, if you look at this daily area here, we do have a nice zone here that could be a possible target once it starts to fall. So we'll say around 105. Okay. So sell Aussie Kiwi, and so you can see that price there. And I have started using TradingView also for reading charts. That I'm going to start. Just have to get used to it. Been using MT for that long. I'll have to get used to using TradingView. Like I said, it's no big deal. So take profit will be 105. Okay, so that's your free setup for this week. Last week, your free setup last week was on the British Pound USD. She got a nice 100 pips on it. It's a nice trade. This week, again, you can pause the screen and write that down. But you take that when the market opens. It's always trade at your own risk. Since the market opens and we close on a Friday, or if I say otherwise in the Telegram group, you can join the free Telegram group below. If you have any questions, let me know at will@xaus.com. If you want to join the full signal service and get the list of 22 other setups that are on the cards this week, simply head over to their website and hit the Get Started Now button. There is a fantastic offer on at the minute when you sign up to the yearly service, where you'll actually receive my Price Action Secret Archives video course, over 20 hours of pure price action trading. You also get a 40% discount compared to paying monthly, and soon to be starting the daily signal service that will be included in your yearly plan for the year. So it's really a great thing. You can head over, you can access that at the Get Started Now button. Again, have a great week, trade at your own risk, and if you need anything, just contact me at will@fxace.com. Have a great week and happy trading.